everyone. Previously in the previous video we have recapped the particular chapter, okay, and now we are going to start from the topic. The chapter is going on, that is chapter number 11, okay, and the topic and the particular name of that particular chapter is the national movement. So we are going to start from a topic that is Jallianwala Bagh massacre and how it has happened. Second one is Khilafat and non-cooperation movement. What has been done, why the people have gone against the Britishers and started this movement. So we are going to start from this Jallianwala Bagh massacre, which has been happened into the Amritsar, and it was the cruelest act which has been done, this type of step has been taken by the British government, and General Dyer was the particular person who had done this type of what we say, inhumiliation with the people. Next, Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Gandhiji called as a nationwide non-violent opposition of the Rowlatt Act, but he declared that April 6, 1919 will be observed as a day of strike. But what has happened? The people responded to it, and very enthusiastically all over the India demonstrations were held, and the government used brutal method to suppress this. Gandhiji has taken action against the Britishers, and he had said that there will be non-violent opposition act, Rowlatt Act, and he declared that April 6, 1919, there will be a strike into a particular country who are against the Britishers. So the response was so much aggressive, and many people, so much enthusiastic people, they gathered into a particular area, but Britishers want to suppress this strike. And the method which they have used, that was so much cruel at that particular time. In Punjab, a large public meeting was held in Jallianwala Bagh. Into the Punjab, a public meeting has been held into the Jallianwala Bagh, and they were giving protest. They are protesting against the Britishers, and because two popular leaders has been arrested, that is Saifuddin Kitchulu and Dr. Satyapal. They both are being arrested by the Britishers. That's why they are protesting against them. But what had happened? The Jallianwala Bagh was enclosed on the three sides of the by building, and had only one narrow entrance exit into the Jallianwala Bagh. The whole area is covered by the bigger wall from the three sides, but there is only one entrance gate, and there is no any exit gate or any another gate to get out from that particular Bagh area. But so the General Dyer with his whole policemen, with his whole soldiers, get entered into the Jallianwala Bagh, and what had happened? People were protesting peacefully. They are not doing any type of violent things, but they are sitting peacefully and they are protesting against the Britishers, but that was not accepted by them. Next, listening to their leader, when all of a sudden General Dyer surrounded the path. They were sitting peacefully and were listening to their leader, that what he is saying, but suddenly it is getting surrounded by the General Dyers and its soldiers, and closed the exit point and ordered his troop. And General Dyer surrounded the whole path. He has closed the exit point, means the entrance gate, it has been closed, and he had ordered his troop to do the open fire till their ammunition was exhausted. Means to say that all the people who are sitting over there, the troop has done the open fire on them, and all these type of things, cruel thing has been happened There is no any exit gate. People can't go out of that particular bagh. There is a well into that particular area. All the people were jumping into that well to save themselves. But what had happened? All the people were jumping into that. There are thousands or hundreds and thousands of people who are sitting into that particular area, and they suddenly start jumping into a well. Some are getting out through the wall. They wanted to get out from the wall, but the open fire is going on, and maximum the population which is sitting over there, maximum population were shot dead. Next, thousands were killed and wounded, and it was followed by the proclamation of martial law throughout Punjab. A terrible repression was let loose on the student and citizens throughout the Punjab. It shocked the entire nation. The whole nation got shocked that the step which has been taken by the British government on the people who are unarmed and who are sitting peacefully and listening to their leader, and suddenly the whole troop has done the open fire on them. That was the thing which is out of the mind, and that must not be happening to a particular country. That was what we say, atyachar, we can say in Hindi. We can say that it is a cruel atyachar, we can say in Hindi. Next, thousands were killed. A terrible repression was let loose on the students and citizens throughout the Punjab. And what has happened? Even a great poet, Rabindranath Tagore, renounced knighthood in protest against the incident. Gandhiji was arrested and later released. Okay, just because of that, British got afraid, and the protest has been taken against the Britishers from all over India. And British, what they have done, they have arrested the Gandhiji, because if Gandhiji will start protesting, then it will get very terrible for them. That's why they had arrested Gandhiji. Then after that they have released him. Next, this incident became a turning point in the history of the movement, became a mass movement. Okay, this point became the history of a turning point, and after that the whole country, the people of whole country combined themselves, and they all got against to the Britishers. They had started the different movements from each part of the country, by which British government could get disturbed and leave the country and go back to their own. Next, Khilafat and non-cooperation movement. What has happened into this? In 1920, Gandhiji started a non-cooperation movement against the injustice done on the people of Punjab during the Jallianwala Bagh incidents. Next, to demand for Swaraj, means we want a free country and we want our own constitution, our own government. Next, against the treatment of the Muslim by the British, Khilafat wrongs, means the treatment which is done, which is against of the Muslims by the British government. This was also the point which has been followed by the Gandhiji. Khilafat agitations was started by two leaders, namely Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali. Muslim considered the ruler of Turkey as Khalifa. He was regarded as their religious head. So, as the religious head, the Khalifa was being arrested by the Britishers. That's why the Muslims has also started the Khilafat movement against them. He regarded as their religious head. In 1918, the British assured the Muslim that after the war, Turkey will be treated with sympathy. On the contrary, after the war, parts of the Turkish Empire went into the hands of France, England and Greece, and the Sultan was deprived of his powers, which angered the Muslims, and they too joined the non-cooperation movement. Okay. Before that, Muslims were not supporting the movement which has been done by the Indians, but after when the Britishers has taken the power of their own sultan, which is sitting into the Khalifa, which is sitting into the Turkey. Then after that they have joined the non-cooperation movement against the Britishers. Method, what was the method has been taken into that? That is, people were asked to return honorary titles, means whatever the titles has been given to the Indian people by the Britishers. So they were asked to give that honor title back to the British government, and had been said that it is not needed. The boycott of British goods, schools and institutions run by them. The boycott of legislatures, means all things has been started, the boycott of each and everything has been started just because of that, because their king has been, their Khalifa has been captured by the British government, and the Greece, the France and the England has captured that power. That's why they have started the movement against them. Responding in the call of several Indians, whether they were clerks, teachers, lawyers or artisans, suspended their work. The students boycotted their classes. Various national universities were established like Jamia Millia Islamia and Kashi Vidyapeeth. Lawyers gave up their practice. People made bonfire of foreign cloths. People joined the movement irrespective of their religion. This movement was a great success, but Gandhi ji had to call off the movement in 1922. Means the particular movement which is on the peak point to which is going to be successful, then again Gandhi ji put it back. He just taken back that particular movement in 1922. He had stopped the movement in 1922, and he had asked the people to follow the policy of non-violence. But unfortunately, a violent incident occurred in Chauri Chaura, where police opened fire at the peasants, and the peasants set the police station on fire, which killed 22 policemen. Obviously, if Britishers will do the open fire on a particular peasants, on a farmers, then what farmers will do? They will oppose them. आखिर कब तक सहेंगे भाई? They will oppose them. Then police station has been fired. It has been burned by the and in which 22 policemen has been killed. This incident shocked Gandhi ji and he called off the movement. अब इस इंसिडेंट की वजह से गांधी जी को एकदम शॉक लग गया. It shocked Gandhi ji and he called off the movement, and the movement have been stopped. The government took advantage of this situation and arrested Gandhi ji, and he remained in prison for 6 years. For this situation, because 22 policemen has been killed, British policemen has been killed into that police station, and along with the peasants which were killed and the people which were killed, there is no any sympathy with them, but their people has been killed. That's why the Gandhi ji is also taken away the movement, and he had gone into the jail for the 6 years. Next, after Gandhi ji arrested, a kind of vacuum appeared in the national movement. During this time, C.R. Das and Motilal Nehru started the Swaraj Party. They were in the view that they should contest election, become the member of the legislature and fight for their cause. They have started another party, and they have started the particular election will be held and all the things will be happen. They contested the election and they have won into that particular election, and they agitated the assembly through their speech and demanded for self-rule. But in due course, they felt that they were not very successful and left the assembly, and the party faded after the death of C.R. Das in 1925. Next, at the same time, there was re-emergence of the revolutionaries. In the same time, the revolutionaries have re-emerged. The Hindustan Socialist and Republican Association was formed under the leadership of Bhagat Singh. Member of Hindustan Socialist Republican Association assassinated Saunders, a police officer. In 1929, Bhagat Singh and V.K. Dutt threw a bomb in a legislative assembly and raised the slogan Inqilab Jindabad. Later on, Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and Sukhdev were hanged on the gallows by the British. The government thus tried to suppress the revolutionary ruthlessly. So these things has been happened into this particular reason. Next we will start Simon Commission and the other movements which has been taken into our country. So thank you so much everybody.